Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is JoJo Palacio, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty, and today we are talking about all things rare beauty. You get it? You get what I did there? Okay, cool. So today we're going over a few items in the Rare Beauty line. For those of you guys who did not know, Rare Beauty is owned by none other than Selena Gomez herself. She came out with a beauty line called Rare Beauty and launched it at Sephora. If you didn't know either, I work for Sephora. I am a esthetician, what is called beauty advisor, color consultant. I don't know what the name is at the moment because we're switching over. So because I am licensed, title is switching over. However, I've worked for Sephora for 6 years, going on 6 years now, and I'm excited. I'm excited for you guys to see this review because we talk about what's in the formula for both the primer and the foundation. I do have a blush by her as well, which I've never tried cream blushes, so stay tuned if you're someone who's been wondering what a cream blush applies like and how to work it into the skin, because I do that in this tutorial as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I got a ton of new complexion, foundation, concealer products in my last gratis. I'll link that video above so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But I plan on doing a lot of review videos coming up just because you guys are looking for new foundations. I've heard it on my social media. I hear it at the store all the time. So why not give you a review on the foundations? So, yeah. Let's stop talking. Let's get into the review. I do go into the Sephora app and talk a lot about what is in the Rare Beauty foundation, the shades, the formula, who it's for, and the same thing for the primer. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if you haven't already. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday of every single week, and we are getting to 1,000 subscribers thanks to you. Share us on social media, whether it's Facebook or Instagram. Share us with your friends. Repost, that way we can get the activity, the traffic that we need to let YouTube know that this channel is what's up. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's get into this Rare Beauty review. All right guys, so welcome back. I am so excited to be doing this tutorial just because it's a tutorial slash review, a little bit of everything today. I just wanted to try this out on camera with you guys. This being the Rare Beauty foundation and primer. I also have a blush by them, so if you guys did not know, I work for Sephora. I work with them for going on 6 years now. I'm also an esthetician, a makeup artist, and I have heard a lot of hype around this foundation. I've seen a lot of clients coming in to look for it at Sephora, so I believe Selena's doing an amazing job at marketing and promoting the foundation. Kudos to you, girl. But I haven't really got the chance to try it, and I've been asked over and over and over what I think about it, and I've told them honestly that I haven't tried it. So here we are trying it. I'm super excited. So I picked it in the shade 210N. I did not purchase the foundation. Sephora gave me gratis for the Selena foundation, so I'm super excited about that. I'm just gonna shake it up really well. I was told that that's what you need to do. Before I put this on though, let's talk about the foundation for a little bit. So I'm gonna pull it up on the Sephora app here. All right, so the foundation is the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. Get my hair under control. It is $29, which is pretty inexpensive for a foundation at Sephora. And so it is a weightless foundation with concentrated pigments that feels barely there while providing a buildable medium to full coverage with the natural finish. Coverage is medium, buildable to full. Finish is natural. The formulation is liquid, and it's for skin types that are normal, dry, combination, and oily, so everyone. It is free of sulfates, parabens, mineral oil. It has less than 1% of a synthetic fragrance. It is also vegan and cruelty free. So this has a convenient doe foot applicator. This foundation delivers pure pigment packed with a serum-like base, which is why the pigment is why they have that little marble in here. That's why they want you to shake it so well before applying it. Ooh, I stand corrected. It comes in 48 shades. So it is a non-clogging or caking formula with botanical blend of lotus, gardenia, and water lily. It all calms, nourishing skin for comfortable long wear. And it suggests that you use it with Always an Optimist primer, which is the illuminating primer, this guy here. So this is the primer and the foundation next to each other. So the primer does come with a pump. This is 0.94 ounces. And let's talk about that for a minute. So the primer is 0.94 ounces. It is $26. This is a weightless silicone-free gel primer enriched with fine pearls that help to give you that glow from within. It treats dryness. Again, this is free of fragrance. So this is a water-based gel primer that cools upon contact. The weightless formula is infused with ultra-fine pearls for instant radiance, while botanicals blend of lotus, gardenia, and white water lily help to soothe and calm stressed out skin. So this is supposed to be the perfect combo. So let's start with trying them out. I'm excited. I'm excited because I've seen them look really pretty when Selena Gomez does her makeup. Now this is a day-to-day, very, very easy type of makeup. No scent. It's not meant to be artistic or complicated. This is a really unintimidating way to do makeup is what she was going for. So right away, I like the type of glow that the primer gives. It's like a shimmery type of glow. I want to compare it to the L'Oreal Lumi just to give you guys a comparison of what it looks like and it feels like. I'm actually going to take a little more and put that on the sides of my face. I kind of want to just leave it on the top sides of my face because it is very glowy. It's not as nourishing or as hydrating as I thought based off of the description, but it does have a lot of like pearl pigment, if you guys can see that on my fingers. So if you're someone who's dry, you might enjoy it. Let's do that. I'm gonna apply the way that I would normally apply a foundation just because I want to give it like a fair chance. So I would normally apply a foundation by spreading it, applying it with a brush, and then pushing it in with a sponge. So we're gonna do that. Again, I'm not a fan of the doe foot applicator. If you guys didn't see the last Sephora haul, the last Sephora gratis haul that I did, I'm gonna link it above here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I got a ton of foundations and a couple of concealers in gratis that you guys don't want to miss. So go check that out because that'll kind of give you an idea of the content that's coming up in my channel. So I'm gonna just, I don't even know how to apply this. Okay. So I'm just gonna try to use one application of the doe foot. I know that Selena uses it very differently, like a very sheer type of blending for every day. However, I want to give you guys a full review, so. All right, it's pretty much all off of the doe applicator. Let's blend it in with my brush. This one is the Morphe JH03. So I can absolutely see what they mean by medium coverage. This has pretty good coverage and it is definitely lightweight feeling. It's blending out really, really well. The color is on point. Good job, JoJo. You guys don't understand how nerve-wracking it is to get foundations in gratis sometime because you are picking it blind. Like if you literally covered your eyes and are like, that one right there, it looks good. Because you don't have anything to compare it to. The foundation is not in front of you. You have no idea what the color range is. It's like, it's weird. So far I am liking this foundation. It is looking really, really pretty. With the one application of the doe foot, like I took everything off of the doe foot applicator, I'm pretty happy with the coverage. This is definitely medium coverage and I can see it building up to full coverage for sure. Very lightweight. I'm really, really impressed. So I don't have the concealer. I considered buying the concealer, I'm not gonna lie. But because I have so many concealers and I got some more in gratis, it's not, like that's not appropriate. I'm sorry, I can't justify that. So I have a concealer, it's not gonna be part of the line, and I'm also gonna bronze with my regular bronzing stick. I feel like since I don't have the items from the line, I can stick to good old faithful products that I know work well. It's blending really nice with this product. I don't see any lifting, I don't see it moving. It's good to know that it can be incorporated into your routine without having to use all of the products from that line, you know? Awesome. So we are going to cream blush, which I don't ever do. If you have blushes that are creams and you like it, please share your techniques down below this video. I don't ever do it. So this blush is Grace. I love the names, by the way. Oh my word, has me having church all day. All day. How pretty. My skin just looks amazing. All right, so I don't know how to apply blushes. I will just give you guys that right now. Especially cream blushes. Like I know how to apply blushes, just not cream. Okay, I'm scared. That might be too much. How do I apply this? Ooh, yeah, definitely way too much. Let's blend it out with the foundation brush. Helping, helping. Yeah. I'm gonna take some off first. There is definitely pigment behind the blush, so a little bit goes a long way. I wonder if this will last better on me since it's so pigmented. I lose blushes like that, just so you guys know. Like I cannot hold blush to like save my life. Just add a little more to this side. Again, I'm adding it over like other products and it's not lifting. I'm working it in, patting it in like I would any other cream product, but it's holding pretty well. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I did just a cute little wing and a nice vampy lip. Ooh, we finally did it for fall, yay. So this is the number 24 Liquid Matte Lip by Sephora collection. Obsessed with the color, love it with the simple look like this. So this is the finished look. I mean, you can see complexion is definitely medium coverage, I will say that. What else? I like the way that it looks. I'm gonna see how it wears. I am planning on coming back on camera in a little bit and showing you guys how it wore 4 or 5 hours later. But so far I'm impressed, I like it. I don't know that I would do the liquid blush. I just want a little more pigment and a little more like control over the setting, you know, like I would set it just a little more because it is so glowy. But that being said, first impression is I like it so far. So that is it for now. I'll be back in a little bit to do like the official outro, you know. All right guys, so it is the end of the night and I have not touched up. This is what we are dealing with at the end of the night. We're like 4 or 5 hours into the application of the foundation. So you can definitely tell that there is a lot of glowiness in my T-zone. That was expected. The foundation is a natural finish and we set with very minimal powder just because I wanted to see how the foundation played out. Not only that, but we did prep with a pretty luminous primer, which if I wanted to avoid this, I could have prepped with my Dr. Brandt, I feel like, and then maybe pat it down a little more. Overall, I mean, it's very glowy and radiant. There is a little bit of breakage here, if you guys can see that, like around my mouth area. I did not reapply powder. I don't know how I feel about this cream blush situation. It did not convince me at all. The foundation is pretty. I like the foundation. The primer is pretty. I like the primer. I do not believe I will be applying cream blush anytime soon. My mother-in-law might get that one. But overall, I will be using the primer and the foundation again. I just feel like I would use them differently. So I will get back to you guys on, I can't figure out what's going on with this hair. I will get back to you guys on Instagram and see what I did differently that might make the foundation wear better than this. But this is what you get 5 hours into wearing this foundation if you wear it with the primer. Can't complain. Maybe if I were drier, I wouldn't look as glowy. And I know some of you might like the glow, but I don't feel like if I saw a picture of me like this, I don't know that I would love that. You know? So that's it. I told you guys I would come back on at the end of the day before washing my face, and I did. Yay me. I'm proud of myself. And I have 0 lipstick left. So that's it. I hope that you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more reviews like this, Also hit the thumbs up and comment down below. Remember that we're getting to 1,000 subscribers by 2021. And to do that, I need you guys to repost, like, comment, share with your friends and family. That way we can get these videos all over YouTube and get your girl to 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, bless you, and I'll see you next time.